Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on Fred Claus and Baby Driver. Here's Fred Claus. This came in 2007. It's a PG. Here's the front. Here's the spine. And here's the back here. And it's on for 111 minutes and speech today's non-comic violence, language and sex references, parental guidance, gender view, something maybe unsuitable for young children. Oops, sorry. And there's a disc. The DVD also came out in 2008. And the last one is Baby Driver. This came in 2017. It's a 15. Here's the front. Here's the spine. And here's the back here. And it's on for 1 hour and 48 minutes. And it's 50 days. Strong language violence. Suit for only persons of 15 years. No, not to spite to any person with an age. Here's the ultraviolet. Here's the back. And there's a disc. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in my next video and goodbye. Peace.